This summer, you might be able to choose Prime Air as a delivery option if you're fortunate enough to reside in Lockford, California, or College Station, Texas, and you have an Amazon Prime account. And that's not airmail either. That's drone mail. This is Katy Craig in San Diego, California. The first two locations where Amazon Prime customers will be able to use the Prime Air delivery service are Lockford, California, near Sacramento, and College Station, Texas, outside Houston. Prime Air is designed to deliver packages that weigh less than 5 pounds in under 60 minutes via autonomous flying vehicles or drones. In areas where the services are authorized, the drones will carry your package into your backyard, fly low enough to drop it there safely, then return to their base. The FAA must give permission for drones to fly in areas serviced by airplanes. So there's no information on specific launch dates. Sacramento News affiliate KTXL only says that Amazon reports it is officially started. It's safe to assume that if these two cities handle Prime Air well and it improves services in the bottom line, that more cities will be added to its services area. What do you think about drone deliveries? Would you welcome UAVs in your backyard dropping packages from above? This is Katy Craig. Stay safe out there.
Listen to today's entire episode of It's 505 on your favorite podcast platform.